Do you want to have a successful website that actually works for your business, that generates new quality leads for you and brings you new clients? In that case, you have to watch this video where I'm going to share with you 5 steps that you have to take to build a successful website in 2023 that actually works for your business and brings you value. So let's just dive in. The first step in building a successful website in 2023 is research and planning. That's a hugely important step that it's unfortunately overlooked too many times. So why is that so important? Because to build a successful website, you have to know what you're building for whom. What kind of a research do you have to do? First, you have to know your ideal customer. If you work in B2B industry, you have to know your ideal customer, in what kind of an industry do they work in? What's their average yearly revenue? Are they big or small companies? Geography. And my tip here would be to focus on a client that can actually afford your services and to whom you can bring the most value. Because that's the only way how you can build a successful business long term. Second, you have to do keyword research. You have to research keywords around which you're gonna build your new website. My advice here would be to go for keywords that have at least 500 monthly searches and the competition is low. That way you're gonna be able to rank in Google your newly built website. Next step is research your competition. Go on the websites of your competitors and check out what kind of content they are using, what kind of copy, photos, videos. Check out also their social media and try to figure out what works for them and what's not working for them. Now that you understand your ideal customer, your keywords and your competition, you have to craft the main message of your website and you have to start thinking about your unique selling proposition. Second step is design. Now that you've done your research, now it's time to communicate your story with the design. Most small business owners build their websites with templates, and that's not the best option if you want results. Why? Because templates are built to fit as many people as possible. So my tip here would be to team up with a web designer to develop a custom design based on your ideal customers. So that's really the right way to get maximum results out of your website. Third step is content. Now that you have your design done, you need your content to fill it with. So let's first focus on copy. Your copy should be focused on your ideal client, on your customer. It should recognize their pain points, their motivations, and bring them the solution they're looking for. Now that your copy is done, you need good quality photos and videos to back it up. Photo is truly worth 1,000 words. Because photos and videos attract way more attention than just copy would. And when it comes down to photos, I always like to recommend to use actual photos of yourself and your team. Why? Because that way you actually give personality to your website. And with that, you're building trust with your visitors. And your visitors must trust you to get in touch with you and to buy from you. So now we are on the fourth step, which is development of your website. As a small business owner, here you have 2 options. You can do it yourself, or you can hire a freelancer or an agency to do it for you. If you decide to build your website yourself, you have quite a few tools that enable you to do so, such as Wix, Squarespace, WordPress. But you have to expect a steep learning curve and quite a few hours that you're gonna have to put into to develop a decent website. Let's just talk about 2 key areas you have to focus when developing your website. First is you have to focus on speed, on loading speed of your website. You have to develop a fast website. Otherwise, Google is just gonna think your website is trash and you're not gonna be able to rank with it. Second area is mobile friendliness. Your website has to be mobile friendly and it has to offer a great experience on desktop and on mobile screens. Because we know that in 2023, we are all using mobiles to search the web. The 5th step is marketing. Great job, now you developed your website. The next step is to bring visitors on your website. So the digital marketing, that's a huge topic, and I'm gonna be making a lot more videos about that topic, so please do check it out. And now I'm gonna share with you a few ways how you can get that first visitors on your website. First is definitely Google My Business. You have to create Google My Business listing, which is gonna tremendously help you with your local SEO and get your new website that first exposure that it needs. Second is local and niche directories. List your company in local and industry-specific directories. That way you're gonna get a bit of exposure and you're gonna get backlinks for your website. Third way is share your business online. Share your business on your social media. Send your friends email with links. Just check it out, my new website. So share it with your personal connections. Share it on your social media. So now you know how to build a successful website in 2023, and check out my other videos to see how grow your business online.